In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group by in Microsoft Access Query. Grouping lets you turn raw rows into meaningful summaries so you can see totals, counts, and averages per category, like total sales per customer or the number of orders per region. In Access, you can do this in two ways, by writing a SQL query with a group by clause or by using the Totals button in Design View. I'll walk you through both so you can pick what's most comfortable. Here's the idea behind group by. Access groups rows that share the same value in one or more fields, and then applies an aggregate function, such as sum, count, or AVG, on another field to calculate a single summary per group. That way, you trade multiple detailed rows for an easy-to-read set of results. If you prefer SQL, use this basic pattern. Select field to group, by aggregate function, field to summarize, as total value from your table group by field to group by. For example, to get total sales per customer, select Customer ID, sum, order total, as total sales from orders group by Customer ID. This returns one row per Customer ID with the sum of their orders. Or, if you want to count how many orders are in each region, select Region, Count, as number of orders from orders group by region. A key rule to remember: every field listed in the Select clause must either appear in the Group By section or be wrapped in an aggregate function like sum, count, or AVG. If you forget this, Access will throw an error or produce unexpected results. If you like working visually, use the Totals feature in Design View. Open your query in Design View, then click the Totals button, the one with the sigma symbol. In the grid, the fields you want to group by should display group by in the total row. For the field you want to summarize, choose the aggregate you need, such as sum, count, or AVG. Then run the query. Access will build the group by logic for you behind the scenes. Use group by whenever you need summaries for analysis, dashboards, or reports, summing data per category, counting records per group, or averaging values. And if you need to narrow down which rows are included before grouping, add a where clause in SQL. If you need to filter the grouped results after they're summarized, use a halving clause. That's the core of grouping in Access. Decide your categories, choose the right aggregate, and run the query, either in SQL or with the Totals button.